best thing about going to Arsenal Tech was it's a magnet school, so it has a lot of different options for different students depending on what your interests are. My interest was telecommunications, so Arsenal Tech had the telecommunications magnet where I got to learn about telecommunications before I even got to college. 2008, is that when I graduated? This was fun because it was a genuine interest of mine. So I got in my freshman year and I learned the basics, things that most students didn't learn till their freshman, sophomore, or even junior year of college. I got interested in it and learned about it way sooner than anyone else got an opportunity to. So I definitely advanced my skills early on, and it made college more fun and easier for me as well. Oh wait, I'm sorry. I forgot what I was saying.